Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm very excited to show you guys all the Skull and Company products that I bought from my brand new Steam Deck OLED here. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you what we are gonna put in it. So the first thing that came to my mind was of course the case and the grip case and the shell. So this one comes in a bundle, as you can see. So both the grip and the cover, the hard shell cover, goes in it or comes in it. So we're gonna put that on our Steam Deck later. Next we have the dock. So we have the Skull & Co. Core Drive Pro. This is the Pro version. This is the one with extra USB port on the back, because the non-Pro version only comes with one USB port, an extra USB. There you go. So you can see we have 3 USB ports here, 1, 2, and then one on the side, another one there, total of 3. That USB-C port right there is for the power, to power the dock. So we chose the one, or we picked the one with 3 ports right here. Okay, next we have the Skull & Co. Gallium nitrate charger, the 45-watt charger, also from Skull & Co. This one comes with an extra USB-C cable. This one is enough to power the Switch, a laptop that requires only 45 watts, any smartphones, and of course the Steam Deck itself. Okay, and then since the dock that I mentioned earlier doesn't have any Ethernet port, we also bought this USB 3.0 to Ethernet adapter, also from Skull & Company. Now, before they used to be called Skull & Company, but now I think they're going to change their branding to Savage Raven. They're going to start doing that slowly, transitioning to that brand. So this is 3.0. By the way, all these ports on the core drive are USB 3.0. So this one would fit right into it. There's also a gigabit Ethernet port if your internet is fast. If you have a fast internet like I do, I have 800 Mbps. So this is gonna take care of that. Okay, next we have some buttons, button enhancement. So this one goes on the back paddles of the Steam Deck. We're gonna try that and see if it's gonna make any difference. And then we also have thumbstick enhancement. This one would make the concave shape on the joystick into a convex to concave. Yeah, it's gonna change that feel. Can actually take a look at it here. There you go. It's got a really nice, grippy, rubbery. Oh, it's textured too. I don't know if you can see that. Can you focus? Oh, it's got a really nice texture, and it's really grippy. Like almost like there's a wet slick feel. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really grippy. Okay, so next, of course, we are going to need tempered glass. So we're gonna put this Skull & Co. also Savage Raven Skull & Co. tempered glass screen protector for the Steam Deck OLED. This comes in, I think this is a 2-pack. Yeah, so 2 screen protectors in it, instructions, etc. Oh, and did I forget about the Skull & Co. Phantom stand? Because I have a Ghoulie Kit King Kong 3 Max that I'm gonna use with it, and I'm gonna put this right there. All right, so first we're gonna unbox the Steam Deck itself. Let's see, for the first time ever. Oh, nice! Wow, it comes in this really nice eco-friendly box right here. That's, I'm pretty sure this is recycled material. It's not really flashy compared to the other handheld consoles out there. And this is the OLED itself. Oh, it's kind of hefty. Okay, I think this is where the manual and the charger is in. So we're gonna put these aside for a while. Oh, it's really sealed in there. Ooh. Oh, it's got a free case, carrying case with it. Skull & Co, by the way, if you're listening to this, sponsor me the max carrying case because I don't have money to buy that anymore. Just kidding. Okay, here we go. And, ooh, there it is. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna set these up now. And like and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. That would really help me create more videos like this. And I guess I'll just see you again next time for another video. Thanks, guys.